Welcome back to Electric Gear, your one-stop shop for all things electric vehicles. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that's on the minds of every Tesla owner: what could be the Tesla windshield replacement cost? As we all know, Teslas are known for their sleek design and cutting-edge technology. But one thing that most people overlook is the cost of windshield replacement. With such advanced features, it's natural to assume that the replacement cost might be steep. So, let's get right into it. The first thing to consider is the model of your Tesla. The replacement cost varies depending on the model of your Tesla. For instance, the cost of the Tesla Model S windshield replacement will differ from that of the Model 3, Model X, or Model Y. Generally, the larger the model, the more expensive the replacement cost. Another factor to consider is the type of windshield that you need. The Tesla windshield replacement cost will differ based on whether you need a standard, solar, or acoustic windshield. A solar windshield is designed to filter out UV rays and heat, and an acoustic windshield is designed to reduce noise. Now, let's get to the actual cost. Tesla's windshield replacement costs typically range from $400 to $1,500, depending on the model and type of windshield you need. This cost also varies depending on where you live, as labor and materials cost more in certain areas. However, it's important to note that this cost can be covered by your car insurance, depending on your policy. So, it's always a good idea to check with your insurance provider to see if you have windshield replacement coverage. In conclusion, the Tesla windshield replacement cost can vary greatly based on the model and type of windshield you need. It's always a good idea to be prepared for unexpected expenses by checking with your insurance provider and considering the type of windshield you need. That's all for today's episode of Electric Gear. We hope you found this information helpful. Please leave a comment below and let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, drive safe and stay electric.